Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I am going to be giving you guys the solution for the best charger for the LG G8X ThinQ. So I'm damn sure that you guys might be searching for the best charger for LG G8X ThinQ. LG G8X ThinQ also does not come with the charger in the box. By default it had an 18-watt charger that used to come inside the box, and the smartphone actually supports up to 21 watt of fast charging, and also wireless charging is supported up to 10 watt or 7.5 watt. The wireless charging is also supported. If you have a wireless charger available at your home, you can just put the phone lying on the wireless charger overnight, and it will get just charged. If you're looking for a charger, this video is just for you. I've actually had a couple of chargers lying around with me. I'll be trying out the charging with the case and charging without the case, and also I'll show you guys how the charging is supported. Basically this phone has Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 based fast charging solution that is available. Any fast charger above Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 will be supported for fast charging of the LG G8X ThinQ. Now let me straight away go ahead and check out the available chargers. Later in the second half of the video I'll be unboxing this charger, that is the Xiaomi's 27 watt sonic charger that used to come with Redmi K20 Pro, and I got it just for the review purposes, guys, so that you guys don't put money on the wrong things. I'll show you guys whether it makes any changes in the charging with the case and without the case as well. So guys, as you can see over here on the table, these are the different charging solutions by default that is available with me. I just spent 1 week by trying different charging solutions for my device. To start with, this is my Xiaomi's 10 watt charger which came with an old smartphone, guys. I was having this charger lying around. This first black cable is with the Xiaomi Charger, which is the 10 watt charger. The second charger is my Realme phone's 33 watt fast charger, guys, which is a very fantastic charger. It used to charge my Realme phone in around 1 hour 10 minutes or something like that, which is very quick. Realme and Oppo are like the king in terms of charging solutions. And this third charger is the huge one. This is the biggest charger, guys, and this is the MacBook Pro's 100 watt charger. So this is the 100 watt charger which supports USB power delivery as well, which takes in the USB Type-C based input, as you guys can see. First thing I'll just show you guys is how does it make a difference when you're charging your phone with the pogo pin adapters, that is a magnetic based charger, and when you're charging your phone without the pogo pin, that is direct to USB Type-C, by removing this from the case. As you guys can see, this is the Xiaomi charger that I've connected, guys, and I'm using this pogo pin based charger for charging. Let me just plug it over here and I'll show you guys how it works. As you can see, the charging is started and it says charging 24%, and one important thing is it will show within what time it will be completely charged. As you can see, it is charging 24% and it takes 2 hours 14 minutes until full charge. Now let me just open the phone from the case, and also let me just remove this pogo pin based charger, and I'll just plug in the USB Type-C port and I'll check whether it makes any difference or not. So guys, I'm just plugging in the charger to the phone directly without the pogo pin based charger. As you can see, it says charging 24%, and yes, 2 hours 14 minutes until full. So that means there is no difference in the charging speed when it comes to whether using directly USB Type-C or if you're using the normal pogo pin based magnetic connector. The first charging solution that I've tried, guys, this is the Xiaomi Charger and the Xiaomi's 10 watt charger. It will take 2 hours 14 minutes for complete charge. Now what we'll go ahead and do is we'll check out with our Realme charger. So guys, this is my Realme charger. As you can see, there is an yellow color branding of Realme that is present over here. Let me try with the Realme charger over here. As you can see, it says 24% charging, and yes, there is no changing in charging speed, guys. It says charging 2 hours 14 minutes until full. So that means even the 10 watt charger or the 33 watt charger, it didn't make any difference. The charging brick actually didn't make any difference. The charging speeds are the same. Now let me go ahead and check out with my MacBook Pro charger for this device, guys. So guys, this is the MacBook Pro charger with the long length cable. As you can see, there is no yellow color branding over there, since that means this is not the same Realme charger. So let me just go ahead and connect charger to the phone. Yes, and it says fast charging. As you can see, it says fast charging and it will take 1 hour 37 minutes until full. So it will take 1 hour 37 minutes for my phone to charge from 24% to 100% is what it says. I think the charger that I am using, the MacBook Pro charger, might not be available with most of the people. That's why what I did is I just went ahead and I bought a new charger from Xiaomi, that is the Mi 27 watt sonic charger, guys. As you guys can see over here, this is the Xiaomi's 27 watt sonic charger. It supports super fast charging Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 base charger. It has surge protection, overheat protection, and many other things as such. The product's input and output values are mentioned over here. It will charge either at 5 volt at 3 ampere, that is at 15 watt, or it will charge at 9 volt at 3 ampere, that is at 27 watt. I'll just go ahead and open the charger and connect the charger to my smartphone, and I'll just show you guys how quickly the phone will charge. And there was nothing else that is present in the box, guys, except the charger. It is a very thick and heavy brick with one USB output that is present over here. As you can see, it is a 27 watt output based charger, guys. Let me just go ahead and quickly connect my phone, the LG G8, with the charger, and I'll show you guys whether it is charging fast or not. As you can see, right after I connected my 27 watt Sonic charger, it says fast charging and 1 hour 35 minutes until full charge. So this is the fast charger that you guys can invest on, guys. So this is the Xiaomi's 27 watt fast charger. Right after I connected the charger to the smartphone, it says fast charging is enabled. So this is fantastic, guys. When the phone is fast charging, it will show fast charging as the symbol over here. When the phone is not fast charging, it will just show charging, and it will show the time that it will take to charge. So around 1 hour of time is actually saved when I'm using this charger to charge this phone. Let me just quickly connect the case back to this phone, and I'll just show you whether it will take the same time when I'm using the case too. As you can see, I've connected my phone back, guys, to the case, and I'm using this magnetic connector with my charger. Let me just go ahead and plug this charger to the phone, and I'll just check. Has started charging, and it says fast charging over here, guys. As you can see, it says fast charging, and it will also show that it will take 1 hour 35 minutes to charge full. So guys, that's it for this video on my charging solution for the LG G8X ThinQ. Why I recommended 27 watt instead of the 18 watt dual pin adapter is because if you're having another smartphone which will support fast charging, you can use this charger to charge that phone too. If you guys have any doubts regarding the charging solution for LG G8X ThinQ, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.